I eat your plate.
Eat my plate?
Yes.
Sure. What plate?
Hold on.
Like a
Can I eat your plate?
No. What plate? Which plate? What's a plate? Like a food plate?
This is one question. Can I eat your plate?
I'm gonna go for no.
And you said yes.
If you can't break bread, you're fake.
Huh? The pressure is getting. We want to be alone, but we don't want to be by ourselves. We want you somewhere, like on the roof, anywhere, but just not in front of me. Trying to be my friend. What you doing? Watching baseball? Why you watching baseball by yourself? Move over. Move your leg off that ottoman. What, you eating a hamburger? You shouldn't be eating a hamburger at 11. Let me go make you a better sandwich, a turkey sandwich on 47 grain bread with no mayonnaise and bean sprouts. Tastes like rat turds and twigs. Ain't that better? Why is the TV so loud? Well, turn it down. Ain't that better? Can't hear the TV, got a dry sandwich, you know what? Ain't that better? Why is the ceiling fan and the air conditioner? Turn it off. Ain't that better? Sweating, wrapped up into a hot vine, can't hear the TV, got a dry sandwich. Ain't that better? Why is it so dark in here? Let some sunlight in. Ain't that better?
I go by a rule. 2 L's, 2 W's in life. First you lose, then you learn after you lose, then you win after you learn and lose, then you gain wisdom after you win, lose, and learn. That's it. Because guess what? When you look at 2 L's, what is it? What is that? What is that?
Big dub.
Big W. So you winning either way. Look at that. 2 L's equals a W. So what we really talking about losing?
Losing.
My heart is so big, I could love multiple bitches. I could love probably 20 bitches at the same time if I wanted to. But I'm a man of God. I only have one bitch. Or I have 0 bitches, but if I were to, I'd only have one because I'm a man of God.
Sometimes if a woman has a really nice butt, she'll wear tight pants. Then everybody looks at her butt when she walks by. That's nice. But it seems like a waste. Everybody's looking there. I feel like we should put important information on the butt. We should put the photos of missing children right on there. Damn. We gotta find that boy.
I've been teaching the disciples all week. It's nice to actually take a break and have a little fun. Yeah. Cannonball!
Bro, what are you wearing, fam? You told me to bring a mask. Bro, for a robbery, not to save the NHS. What are you wearing?
Check this out.
Yeah, just like I told Mom the other
You're
day.
thinking what I'm thinking?
Let's do it.
Freeze! Please don't shoot, I'm unarmed! That hurts my feelings!
We're sorry, bro.
Yeah. It's alright. Can you guys help me get my phone?
Oh, so you...
I need a hand.
Cause fire sometimes, though.
Okay, put it out.
I don't know how to put it out.
Stomp on it.
I want to let it go.
Then let it go.
It's burning my fingers.
Oh my gosh, put it out.
Because I don't know how to put it out.
Stomp on it. Put it down and stomp on it.
I don't know how.
Then, or let it go then. Pick one. Pick one.
Stomp it out for me.
Pick one.
Stomp it
Let
out.
it go or put it out.
Stomp it out for me.
Put it
Josiah,
down then.
It's too strong now. The whole thing's burning.
Let it go.
How?
Let it go.
You believe in me?
Let it fucking go or put it out. Pick one.
What if we cause a fire? Josiah. No. God.